Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chats. It is the Crypto Flight Edition. Napoleon Macro speaking. As Bitcoin continues to move to the downside, many may be just a little unsure of what's going on. What I'm going to do on this video is paint this very crystal clear picture for everyone to follow along here and realize that Bitcoin is just simply consolidating within a range in preparation to break out in either direction. My thesis, I'm going to let you know where I think it's going to break out here on this video. So be sure to stick around until the end, and that's what we're going to do, guys. Look at the daily candles. We're going to pull up the moving averages as well, the 50 and 200. And again, a really simple range for everyone to understand. So let's do it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, all of my loyal subscribers. Let's dive into the charts here. Sure. So today's it's April the 4th, 2022, and the current price of Bitcoin, $46,193.60, slightly negative 0.5% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys are doing well. Let's see here. Oh, sorry, so this is really simple, guys. Here it is. That's it. Just two levels. Don't overcomplicate this. So on one of my previous videos, I think we were exploring this small range as kind of a restriction range, right? That's 44.6 all the way up to $47,900. Just a little small range. I think Bitcoin is just taking a small breather here in preparation to break out to the upside. So that's my prediction. Let's get that out of the way. If it ages well, great. If it doesn't age well, then that's fine as well. But I do think Bitcoin is in preparation to move higher. I do have a conservative price target of approximately $50,000 incoming for Bitcoin. Let's give the price action a full week, up to 2 weeks. Yes, the MMC is still upon us, guys, but the Bitcoin buyers are not interested in letting this price fall, and the price will not fall. Sorry, remember, guys, when someone says something will not happen, do not trust them, guys, okay? And I do think that the price will not fall to the downside, okay? Because if the market is going to move in either direction, it will need consolidation before it makes its next move, okay? And right now, Bitcoin is consolidating to the sideways, right? To the downside and to the upside. I mean, it's right now it's down. You know, many people are probably freaking out, losing their shirts, like, oh my God, it's about to crash. It's just fine, guys. 44.6. If we're getting daily candles or 12-hour candles to close above that level, then everything is just fine to me. It's getting preparation to rip to the upside. All right, 50,000 incoming. Yes, I remember saying 55,000. Yes, guys, I'm still gonna stick to that, but let's keep it conservative. Let's stick with 50,000 for now. And then we'll just kind of, pick up where we left off on the Bitcoin price. So hopefully we're clear, guys. It's really simple. It's just consolidating within a small range right now. Okay. I think Bitcoin is just fine. It's just in preparation to move higher. All right. So that's hopefully we've summarized everything, guys. 44.6, 12-hour or daily candles closing above that level. Let's take a quick sneak peek at the 50 and the 200 exponential moving averages, as Bitcoin is actually not in a bull. That would look like a bull market right there, actually. These are the 12-hour candles. Well, I guess you could say from the 12-hour candles, it's back in a bull market. But if you look at the daily candles, it has not crossed just yet. We still have some room, a little small gap in between the 50 and the 200 exponential moving averages, as Bitcoin is attempting to pull this green line back above that red line to get Bitcoin back within a technical. All right, guys. Remember, guys, I'm just being technical. All right, a technical bull market. But right now, unfortunately, it is not in a bull market, in my book at least. Okay, but so it would look something like this. What you're seeing on the screen. That's how it would look if Bitcoin is back in a bull market. Okay, we get that 50 and the 200 exponential cross once again, and I think we'll be off to the races. But remember, when the two cross, remember the counterparty does make an attempt to disrupt the cross. All right, so just a quick example of that, and we'll close it out. So if this gesture is upon us, the green line is approaching the red line to make the official cross. In some cases, okay, a lot of cases actually, a very high number of cases, you get the move up, and just before the cross happens, you get that move to the downside. The sellers make that attempt or succeed in preventing the cross and continuing the bearish trajectory, as Bitcoin, believe it or not, is still subjected to the sellers because Bitcoin has not made a new all-time high. Okay, Bitcoin must make a new all-time high, higher than $61,000 according to the monthly candles bodies, not the 1 minute candles. Okay. All right, that's the end of the video, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully we've summarized everything. So that's it. If you don't mind, do me a huge favor before you go by simply leaving an appropriate thumb. I would appreciate it below the video, and also leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you guys are new, we also explore the traditional stocks. You can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter and keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon. And bye for now, guys and gals.